Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to find someone on Telegram by ID. So let's get right into it. Head over to your Telegram app and then go to the search option and search for raw data bot. Here go to add raw data underscore bot. And here click on restart, and once you click on start, there will be the Telegram ID of yours. And if you already know this sort of ID of the person you want to get through, so you must know the ID of them, and once you get it, just go to the search box and write the ID. Once you write it, you can find that user. Hope this video will help you out, and make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.